evrē is UCHealth's health and wellness initiative. It's a way to learn about your health, be inspired, do things to take care of yourself in a unique setting.
The vibe is good, the energy's great. It's a perfect place to be.
Goals are a request I make of myself with intention and on time.
Every class that I teach, I want everyone to feel successful. This is Self-Care Saturday, and it's about tuning in to what you need specifically for today.
Today's practice is really about emphasizing what's called the parasympathetic response. Relax, relax, relax.
So we're all here to learn from each other, learn from these amazing women.
There's a different side of fitness that they don't have to look a certain way when they go to the gym.
Have the humility to work hard, but then bring it.
It's nice to see women of all different backgrounds come together for themselves.
And be able to have one common goal to set us right for the rest of the year.